Blind Item News, why would I say no? Iyan ang naging sagot ng aktres. Nabigla na lang nawala siya showbiz industry, nag-abroad. Matapos matanong kung handa ba siyang makatrabaho muli ang dati niyang ka-love team na aktor. Sabi niya, I doubt that's gonna happen. Let's end that now. Especially I'm no longer an ABS-CBN artist, so I don't feel like it's gonna happen. I find it weird at first, but right now, I barely see it. Sagot ni dating aktres. Gayon pa man, kung may pagkakataon ay bukas umano ang aktres na makatrabaho muli ang aktor. Why would I say no? Parang I don't say no to work in general. So why would I say no to, di ba? Dagdag pa niya.